I'm Raju from India. Welcome to another peaceful journey in Vizag. In today's video, we will explore two beautiful and calm places hidden inside the Visakhapatnam Steel Plant Township. First, the refreshing Icy Park and Lotus Pond. Then, Kanithi Balancing Reservoir. Let's begin our nature trip. His park, also known as Indira Gandhi Park, is one of the most peaceful parks inside the steel plant area of Visakhapatnam. This green space is beautifully designed for walking, yoga, jogging, and relaxation. Many families and children come here early in the morning or in the evening to enjoy the clear air and greenery. The park has wide walkways, fresh lands, and shaded benches, perfect for taking a break from busy life. But the most eye-catching feature of Icy Park is its Lotus Pond. Surrounded by trees and flowering plants, this pond is filled with pink and white lotus flowers during the blooming season. The water is calm, with lotus floating gently on the surface. You can often see dragonflies, butterflies, and small fish in the pond. It's a favorite spot for kids, photographers, and nature lovers. The beauty and silence here make it feel like a natural temple of peace. His park is more than just a park. It's a lifestyle hub for the steel plant community. Elderly people do their morning walks here. Youth come for jogging and families gather for evening relaxation. This is a perfect example of how a busy industrial township can still maintain a deep connection with nature. Now, let's slow down and take a closer look at the heart of Icy Park, the Lotus Pond. This peaceful pond is a true gem inside the steel plant township. It may be small, but the beauty here is pure and natural. The moment you reach the pond, you feel a change in the air, calm, cool, and refreshing. With tree surroundings, the water, and soft chirping of birds, this place feels like a mini forest in the city. During the blooming season, the pond turns into a living painting. You can see dozens of pink, white, and light purple lotus flowers dancing gently under the water. Each lotus rises with grace, floating on large green leaves. In the early morning, the petals open slowly with the sunrise, and by evening they close again, as if the pond breathes with nature. Around the pond, you might even spot frogs or small fish swimming quietly beneath the surface. The Lotus Pond also plays an important role in supporting biodiversity. It helps birds, insects, and small creatures survive in urban settings. This balance of greenery, water, and silence make the Lotus Pond of the most loved spots inside Icy Park. If you ever visit Vizag Steel Plant Township, don't miss the hidden corner of peace and beauty. Now, let's take off towards the stunning Kanithi Balancing Reservoir, also called KBR, located near Gajuka and the Steel Plant Township. This reservoir was built to manage water for the Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. It collects water mainly from the Magadrigada Reservoir, storing and balancing it for use in the steel plant operations and nearby colony areas. From the sky, the reservoir looks absolutely majestic. It covers an area of around 2.2 square kilometers, surrounded by lush green trees, small hills, and peaceful skies. During sunrise and sunset, the water reflects the golden colors of the sky, giving a mirror-like effect. The surroundings are usually very quiet, making it a peaceful escape from the city noise. KBR is also home to various bird species, like migratory birds in winter. The reservoir and its greenery help maintain the local eco-balance. Though it's a protected area, nature silently thrives here, with clean water, fresh air, and peaceful wildlife activity. Hidden deep in nature, this small waterfall flows quietly over the rocks. Not loud or wild, just calm, steady, and peaceful. Sometimes the smallest places hold the biggest peace. This little waterfall is nature's quiet gift. This reservoir is not only important for the steel plant's functioning, but also for the water needs of the township. It shows how industrial development and nature can go hand in hand. As we end today's journey, we hope you enjoyed this video. Calm and beautiful view of icy parks, Lotus Pond and Kanthi Balancing Reservoir. If you love this peaceful nature tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which place did you like more. And comment where you are watching from. Until next time, stay close to nature. Thank you all.